Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yeah, Tango 21 receiving loud and clear.
Yeah, roger that. Move on to Scratch Corner.
Roger. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Yeah, Tango 21 receiving you.
Okay, so I think you're probably still getting into position. I know you're there, you weren't readable, it's signal readability 1, over.
Yeah, right. Tango 21, I'm in position now, or as good as. How's that?
No, I can't communicate with you at that, so perhaps you'd like to go on to the next one, over.
Roger.
It's about to get out of the car.
Roger, got you at Wilson level crossing.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yeah, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, just about receiving you.
Roger that. Well, I'm in position where I normally am at Wilsford level crossing, so how's that?
Well, at least I can hear you saying how's that, so yes, I can read you, readability 2, over.
Roger that. Well, I'll move on to Kelby now.
Yes, and I think that'll be the last one, over.
Yeah, roger that.
Tango 21 from Mr ZX2, just at the Kelby turn, over. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, nothing received.
No, not happening.